Hi, I'm Mimi Benetti, and I'm one of the teachers for the Ironwill Kids program. The Ironwill program has made a huge impact on the students, and it's really got them thinking about things that I don't think they've thought about before.
My name is Mimi McCracken, and I'm a teacher for Ironwill Kids. The kids have responded very well to the program because the way it's written, the main characters really are the ones that impart the knowledge to the kids.
What's great about the Ironwill Kids program is that it's really different from the other nutrition programs that I've seen out there. In fact, it turns the other programs on their head.
It's very funny, it's fun, it's irreverent sometimes.
There's some other programs that teach you about nutrition and teach you about plants and gardening, but this is teaching them to understand food, to understand how to make healthy choices. Reading food labels is something that I don't think these kids have ever thought of.
They love playing the characters. In the beginning, they had actors that came in, and then they got to assume those roles. So it's been really funny to see how these kids are like, I want to be Zach, I want to be Zach, I want to be Sharice, I want to be Will.
You know, the kids have responded really, really wonderfully. They're so engaged, they're so enthusiastic, and they're really absorbing the knowledge that we're giving them about nutrition in a way that's fun and makes them remember it in a way that's permanent. It's not a piece of information, but they're really learning something and it's sticking with them. What they like best about the program is always the food. They love making the food, and of course they love eating the food. So we do these food labs. One day we made smoothies, another day we made fruit parfaits, and they're involved in understanding the ingredients that are going in them. They're learning the recipes so that they can take them home and do them with their parents, and of course they love devouring the treats.
Also, we did plant in our garden, and now it's sprouting, which is wonderful for the kids to see what they did. The garden is essential. The garden is where children learn to have a different relationship with live food. I'm so convinced of it now. If they can plant it and grow it and maintain it and harvest it, I mean, that's the whole thing.
One of my favorite classes is the class we did on food advertising. And I thought it was so interesting. You saw the little light bulbs go off in the kids, as they learned about what they're really watching on that commercial, or what that picture on the cereal box is really doing to them. And once they got it, they really kind of started thinking about things, and it was really brilliant to see their little minds go, wait a minute, you can't fool me like that. And they really understood how these people are marketing to them, and they didn't like it.
I think that it's an empowering curriculum. For example, they established a Healthy Kids Club here at the school because of the program. Because we brought up, what else can we do? What could we do? And so two of our children stepped up and said, we want a Healthy Kids program. So they took it into the principal of the school, and he was the first kid that signed off, and it's amazing.
This is the time and the place for a program like this to reach the kids at a very young age. As they're starting to learn about their bodies, they're learning about what nutrition means, they're learning about what food really is, and it's going to change their relationship with food throughout their entire life.
I would love for my child to be in Ironwill Kids forever.
It's just a brand new, innovative, formula to teach kids, and they loved it, and I loved it.
All right, let's go. Come on.